For best results, it is important that you follow these basic setup guidelines. Please ensure you have all of the necessary equipment before starting: canister, hose, gun, spray tip, spanner, and correct PPE, including gloves and safety glasses. Remove the black cap from the canister valve. Remove the red caps from both ends of the hose. Attach the braided hose to the canister valve using the small nut. Tighten with a spanner. Attach the other end of the braided hose to the spray gun using the large nut. Tighten with a spanner. Using the locking nut provided, attach the spray tip to the end of the spray gun. Carefully tighten the spray tip using a spanner. Please ensure the slot of the spray tip is vertical, so it is aligned with the direction of the handle. Fully open the valve on the canister by turning anti-clockwise. Adjust the spray pattern by turning the black valve on the spray gun anti-clockwise. Pull the trigger to apply the product. Spray onto a test area prior to application. Please contact us for any further information.